Sorry about the audio, guys. It's windy and I'm in a tarp tent. But today we're working on a Mitsubishi outlander, doing rear coil springs. Fine. Let's see if I can get that. And how they're overlapping. That's not what you want. You don't want that at all. Right here. The top one snapped, so we're changing these out. First step, pull your tire off after you jack it up. Make sure you check the wheel. And then after you get your tire off, I like to put it under the frame, so it'll be next to the jack. I'll show you guys that here in just a second. Alright, tire is off. Now you can get a better look. Them should not be sitting on top of each other. So I'm gonna unhook this bolt and unhook this one to pull this little connector out. And then we're probably gonna pull the shock bolt here to drop this down. If this doesn't want to drop down as much as we need, we'll go down here and pull this bottom bolt out. And then after this one's out, everything should drop down enough for us to pull that spring out and stuff the new one in. So, I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm just going to keep bringing you guys back as I go. So, first what I'm going to do is get this one out of here, and then here, and then that one is easy. Please be careful. Alright, so I got that bottom bolt out. Wasn't doing anything. I lowered my jack down, gave it a little push with my hand, and it relieved some tension. So she's down. She's still in there kind of tight. So I'm going to pull my jack out the rest of the way and see how far that drops down. So I'm going to switch over to the tripod and give y'all guys a little show. My jack's kind of wedged under there. So, let's see, we get a couple pumps. Alright, jack is out. Now I'm wondering if I should have dropped this bolt and just drop it down from back there and let it tilt this way, because I can't get that sway bar end link out. I don't have the right bar out here with me for this. Alright, I'll be right back with a better bar. This probably is not the right bar. It's a flat bar for changing tires. But you know what? We'll make it work. Or we won't. Guys up my way a little bit. I know the new ones are not going to go in easy unless I do something a little different. There she be. switched over this end. Just pull it off the old one. Red dot down. Mine don't have a red dot, so yeah, they're about the same height. So time to get this boot apart and switched over. Working from the inside and push it in. Get it away from that metal. There's like a little glue or something holding it on. And there she is. We can reuse that. There's a little notch that sits right at the end. Give it a little pressure. Pop it back down in. There's your new coil all ready to go back in. I think I'm going to try to put this back together. I'm going to leave the shock on done. I'm going to put this bolt here back in and undo that one and then try to weasel it in. I'm not sure. Either way, it's going back in. Here to try to fight it. Make sure you use jack stands when doing a job like this. And it's only like 45 degrees, 50 degrees. Yeah, I'm going to have to try to get that stabilizer end link off. So, I'll bring you guys back here in a minute. Alright, I'm going to be honest. Honestly, I'd be better off right now cutting this, pulling this off, cutting it with like an angle grinder, and then get this whole thing out, take it inside, cut the bottom one off with an angle grinder, replace this with a new one. But before replacing this, bolt up this one here, put the shock in, fight with that other bolt to go in over there, put that shock in, and then do the stabilizer in. I think that might be my best bet, but I'm going to try to fight this spring in here like this before I go spend the $45. I'm cheap. So, try to put the camera so you guys kind of witness how this goes. I told all this discussion. I had a tarp I was going to lay down, but forgot about it. I don't have a spring compressor. That would make it easier. I'm going to finish assembling this, guy. I'm not going to bore you with that. I know y'all might be intrigued, but once I'm done, I'll bring you guys back and let you know how I did it. Right now I got this here screwdriver going through that hole. So I'm going to try to kind of straighten it out. So I put the bolt in through this side, and then after I have this bolt in, I'm going to try to straighten it out and get that bolt in back there, and then do this shot, put the caliper back on with the brakes, and make sure everything's all tight, and this side will be done, and I'll move on to the next and do the same. So stay tuned to the end, and I'll show you how I wrap it up. Alright, so got that bolt in. I actually am using it because the problem was it wanted to keep kicking out towards the back. So I put the strap down here in this hole under the spring and up to a hole on the front of the frame here, and then tightened it up a little bit, make sure it was straight. Used a rubber mallet, pounded the metal down here a little bit, and it lined up pretty easily after that. So now that I have this one in, I'm going to tighten it up a little bit, or at least get the nut on it real quick. From there, I'm going to drop my little bottle jack and then try to get that back one up in, and I'll probably get the shock in while I'm lining everything up. Caliper back on, tire back on, and that there is how you do rear coil springs in a 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander. If I was to do the rear shocks, I got to go up inside and take out 2 bolts in the top, but we're not doing that today. We will be doing rotors and pads on the back real soon.